Good evening, friends. Welcome to everyone. My name is Ramakrishna Raju. On the behalf of all the visual team and the visual impaired people we are serving, it's my great honor and pleasure to invite you all and welcome you to this show this evening. Before we begin the main event in a few minutes, we have a very rare and unique treat for you. We have a visually impaired troupe of dancers who are touring the US from India. The Sunada dance troupe is actually visiting the US for a few weeks, and we invited them to come today and showcase their talent to us. So they will first do a short presentation, after which we will go on to the main event. So please put your hands together and welcome the Sunada dance troupe on the stage. that wonderful performance, words can't describe it. And it was brought to us thanks to the Samarthanam Trust.